So good evening guys, we're still live here. This is Teacher Rovem and we're still live here at Barangay 19 Town Subdivision, the SK Federation Basketball League. So the original and versus Mamba. Ayan, so we're still live here guys ha. So we'll start the game. So jump ball anay. Okay, ang green Mamba, ang puti the original. Ayan. So live tayo. Okay. Okay, first. Up. Let's start point ha. Green ball. Luma first ball pa si DJ Robem. Wait, ano ba diyan ito? No. Luma first ball pa si DJ Robem. Lelang kita, kay ganda. Okay, first ball is go to Mamba. Okay, wala. Okay, kuha sang ano? The original. Ayan. Okay, let's start. Outside ball. Oh, ang bola sa mga sa Mamba, gali. Mamba.
There is a foul.
Foul.
Foul on jersey number 26, Balgaba.
So, arito sa bawang sa akin, taon guys ha. Ayan, live to sa bawang basketball league, dire SK Federation Basketball League. Ayan, bola sa mga sa Mamba. Okay, intercept sa ano, the original. Okay. Oops, wala. Outside ball. Wala pa sa may nakascore. Ang bulang sa mga sa the original.
Basta official game ka din, hold mo kita na ilagay ko rin. Huwag ka kapustahan ay, para maanad. Balgaba.
Okay. Okay, dos. Baldaba, nag-shot si Baldaba, dos.
Huli pa, nabiling violation.
Okay, ang bola, sumangal sa original. Okay, shoot. Good for 2 points. Ayan. Score sa bang 4-0 in favor of the original. Ang bola sa mga sa Mamba. Ayan.
Bola.
Wala. Okay.
Balgaba. On his way to the basket shot.
Oops.
Jersey number 21, Alpha. Pero, no good. Oh, basket foul.
Okay.
Number 31.
Score to sa ball is 4-2. Ayan.
Southwest, first personal.
First time out.
Mamba team.
So first time out tayo kay Mamba. Ayan. First time out of Mamba. Ayan. So live tayo ngayon dito. Ayan, good evening. Live tayo, live. Yes, live. Ayan. Ayan po. Grabe. Hi ka mga sa live kami. Score tayo sa bangay so. The original for Mamba 2.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the world game na ta. Ayan. Shout out sa aton mga follower na raw.
May bonus free throw.
May free throw sa may free throw. Okay. Number 21.
Bonus shot.
Okay, shoot. Shoot ang yung bonus shot. Bonus shot yan. Okay, okay. Amandre.
Outside ball.
Karon lang, putang ko lang, karon na karon.
Why na tunod?
Abay matunod yun, ubos na to.
Corona. On his way. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 26.
Foul.
Personal foul. Jersey number 26. Valdama. Valeo. Corona. Corona fires.
Amandre.
Madrideo, you with the ball. Pass to Madre. Madre running shot. Corona. The dribbles of Bola. On his way. Running shot. Good. Off. Line ball violation.
Line ball violation. Score to sa bong 6-3. 6-3 lang score to da, 6-3. Araw, 6-3 score tao.
Alba. Jump. Good. Downwards to West. The West to Madrideo. Madrideo. To Valdama. Valdama. Shot clock 10. 5. Good. Alba. On his way. Running shot. Good. The Downwards to West. The West to Madre. Madre on his way. Running shot. Basket. For 2 points by Madre. Roland. We won the ball. Roland. Roland shot. Good. Palawag na yan. Palawag but by Amandre. Amandre ng Madrideo. Sa cross. 5. So good. Roland. On his way, running shot, basket!
So shoot. Score to sa bong the original 8. Ang Mamba 5. Ayan. Bakod ah. Si Coach Caliar yun.
Damo ka.
So time out sa bong sila, time out.
Damo ka.
Time out sa bong, time out. Shoutout sa ating mga viewers kali daw ah. Mayroon ka, busy nyo tanan. This is Teacher Robem and we're still live here at Barangay 19A in town. The SK Federation Basketball League Arana.
Valdama on his way, raise up. Wala. Behind Alba. Alba. To Roland.
Shoot.
Roland. Madrideo. Usap press. Sa press ng Madre. Madre on his way. And shot.
Oy!
2 minutes, 3 seconds left.
Okay, 2 minutes and 3 seconds left.
So Roland, dribble the ball. So Roland, from down, pass, all the change speed for the ground and see the man Mambasko 1 point. Valdama.
Pero sa mga 8, 9. Bansing Mamba.
Corolla, in with the ball. Basket Alba. Ang foul na tawag. Foul goes to number 23, Veneno. Full court goes first personal foul by Veneno.
2 points. Free throw.
Sa kanilang goal, 18 segundos sa madaling oras. Sa ating first set.
Okay. First shot is counted. First shot. First throw ulit. Ayan.
Second shot.
Second shot. Wala.
Madre Dios. With the ball. Pass sa Cabas. Sa first foul. First foul. With the right Alba. Corolla. Seconds to play. 55 seconds left. Corolla. Reset. Walang may 5 segundos sa nila. 40. Hamanda. Reset.
Foul.
Foul version number 21. Alba, first personal foul.
Free throw. Mga free throw sa free throw. Hamandre free throw. First attempt.
First shot.
Oh, shoot. Okay, shoot sa first attempt. Shoot. Okay, second.
Second shot.
Wala. Okay, mula. Originals mula.
Right pass at block 8. 5 to shoot. Good ball. Not by the way. 20 seconds. 15. There's a foul. Apologies here for 14.
There's a foul.
6 seconds left.
6 seconds left.
6 segundos na left. Corolla. 5 seconds. 3 seconds.
Ay na. Okay.
And our first set, President.
So, as of our first.
Score 11-12. Naman si 1 point ang
Okay.
Pagma.
Abansi ang Mumbai sa ano. And live tayo dito at ano yung table official. Ayan. Good evening, boss. Hi. Ayan. Hari sila abansi sila isa. Loads. Live. So, dari naman to sa Piaka team ang the original. Hari sila.
Echanova, jersey number 4. Echanova, jersey number 11. Margario, jersey number 10. Olinares, jersey number 77. Aranya, jersey number 8. 20. Oh, may ball. O, takin na jersey, takin nyo. Basketball, takin na. Ready. Play ball. Echanova. What? Nabuyan ang bola outside ball.
Saka.
Pelante, fire, so good. Bombay.
Grabe mga fans.
The originals 1 point. Pelante, Isilia, basket for 2 points. Steal, got by Duran. To Discipulo power bounce. Offensive foul for jersey number
Offensive foul.
7.
Offensive foul. Ayan. Yung damo galing fans ni ka, no gali oh. Puno sa bangang puno sa mga Araneta Coliseum sa bang puno.
It's another.
Ayan. Ayan sir.
Into the ball. It's another. On his way, on shot, for good. Strike on the ball.
Grabe si Chalo.
That by Duran. Steal. And Longa. Oh, nice. There's a foul.
Good ka.
Foul
Sino
number
kami
11. Torreña, first personal foul.
Grabe ang crowd guys. Puno kita Araneta Coliseum mo. First free throw.
First shot. Galing. Second shot. Wala. By Olinares. Olinares. Running shot. Shot. Not by Discipulo. Oh. To the run. Eurostep basket for 2 points.
Ayan. Shoot. Third and 16. Abanse ang Mamba.
Olinares. Oh.
Wow.
Foul on jersey number 7. Discipulo. Second personal foul by Discipulo. Echanaba. No good.
Okay.
Traveling violation by jersey number 10. Pilante. Oh, outside ball. Olinares. On his way. Lays up. Basket. Nagkasama foul. Basket foul. Foul on jersey number 11. Second personal foul by Torreña. May bonus free throw ba? Bonus shot. Basket. Point conversion by Olinares. Discipulo dribble the ball. Oh. Loses control. Torreña got the ball. To Pilante. Oh. Outside ball. Discipulo. Back to Pilante. Pilante to Delgado. Delgado. On his way. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 11. Echanova.
So Echanova foul.
First personal foul.
First personal foul. So 16. Tayo sila ha. 16
Two
all.
free throws coming for Delgado. First shot. Basket.
Basket.
Second shot. Wala.
Also serve.
Echanova. Moving the ball. To Olinares. Olinares. Rebound. Steal. There's a foul on jersey number 77. Olinares.
Nice
First personal foul.
Nice call, ref.
Score 16 against 17. Favor 1 point sa Mamba team. 3 minutes 50 seconds left. Duran. Pass to Discipulo. Discipulo fires. Basket.
Good for 2 points by Discipulo.
Discipulo.
Okay. 16-19 ang score. In favor of Mamba.
Still alive. Got by Discipulo. Discipulo. Still alive. Got by Echanaba. Echanaba on his way. Lays up. Strong. Got by Delgado. Delgado no run.
Wah, kod gampang nila guys, oh.
Discipulo 5. Gabang short. Echanaba. Celia. Echanaba to run. Fires. No good. Follow up, basket for 2 points. Olivares on his way, lays up, short. 2 minutes, 35 seconds left. Delgado loses control. Babayaran niya, Raja Echanaba. Echanaba, oh, there's a foul. The originals.
Time out ang the originals, oh.
27 seconds left. Bruce Westiship yung nabilin ng oras.
So, scores of the original 16, Mamba 21 in favor of Mamba.
5 points up. Torreña, third personal foul.
Ga-live ko, wait ko picture. Karoon lang magtapos. Ito na, nag-sagot na.
Echanaba. Five seconds. Outside ball. Ano tulad? Congratulations. Balik ang mula sa original ball. Five. Short by Delgado. Delgado to Discipulo. Discipulo to Pelante. Pelante left. May power tawag. Follow jersey number 10. Magdarian. 2 free throws coming. First shot, basket. Second shot, basket again. 2 out of 2 by Pilante. Olivares on his way. Reserve basket for 2 points by Olivares. Discipulo, leave on the ball. 1 minute 48 seconds left. Discipulo. Shot clock in. Steal. Olivares. Is a layup. Remember Durant. Durant to Discipulo. Discipulo to Pilante. Pilante lays up. Basket. For 2 points by Pilante. What? Power violation to Mamba. 1 minute 26 seconds left. Score 18 against 25. Abansi 7 points ang Mamba. Oh, steal. Delgado. No good. Rebound by Olivares. Olivares, leave the ball. Olishay, lays up. May foul tawag, basket count. 1 minute 9 seconds left.
So, time out.
Mamba team.
So, time out ang Mamba, guys.
Fourth personal foul by Torreña. Apat ka na, Torreña. Apat na. Agad-agad.
So time out tayo ngayon. So live tayo dito. Grabe dito. Puno-puno po yung Araneta ko. Ang Araneta. Ang court ng ng Barangay 19A. Lang fans, di ba?
Welcome to the game. 1 minute 9 seconds. Puno na yung pinabili ni oras. May bonus petrol.
First free throw.
Bonus shot. Wala. Hop. Substitute free throw ng tawag siya. Another free throw. Hindi ka na mag-entry na ilan na yan. Oh. Second shot, basket. 3-point conversion by Olinares. Duran. Seconds to play. Delgado fires for 3 by Delgado. 50 segundos sa magiging.
Ako na convince ha?
Double dribble by Olinares. 48 segundos sa magiging. 48 seconds left. Delgado, back to Duran. 45 seconds. Discipulo. 40 seconds. Pelante, lays up. Got by Delgado. Follow-up basket for 2 points by Delgado. 30 segundos sa nabili. By Chico, lays up basket by Hector. 20 segundos. 15. Gis. Utso. Terminating violation. 6 seconds left. Anong kasiguro sa namin? 6 seconds left. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. And
Score the ball. The original 23, Mamba 30. So, bansi sila 7 ah.
Yan, isipayan yung pinakabilog. Sipa sa kung pilas nakabilog ang walang kampang. Apat na walang kampang, may isang naman. O mapili si coach. Pili ka mo coach isa, sa player.
Lain ang uniform isaw.
John, hindi pa na pwede, suspend pa na kayo, wala ko sa uniform, wala pa nagabot. Suspend pa penalty, wala pa nagabot yung uniform. Kulang isang ipadala.
Okay na?
O, sige na. O, isa ka free throw. O, shooting rin ka, yan. O, isa. 4-5 mo. 2 ka free throw.
Shooting pa, di kulang nila. Kulang isa? Tama na mo yung jersey. Ang jersey yan? Ang jersey? Wala kayo jersey. Suspend ang jersey.
Oh, 31 ang 31. Oh, mula ka naman ba, mula. Mula. Oh. Last set sa ato, ang yung 1 pa lang last set. Third set pa lang sa Pasarel na chok. Oh! Ano to sa chop? Report. Oh, may foul. Jersey number 5 by Sam West. First personal foul. Rocco fires. No good. Iba by Sam West. Another. Back from under. To Sam West. Sam West guys. To Sean. Good ball. Black outside ball. Outside ball. Shot clock 13 seconds. Whoop. Oh, warning jersey number 7 for delaying the game. Eh, dali lang. Oh. May delaying man sila kanina. Ikaduwa na din. Oh, may technical na ta. Oh, technical free throw for delaying the game. Wala. Already. Outside ball. Oh, outside ball. Shot clock 12 seconds. 12 to shoot. Make a job, jersey number 28. Scramble the ball, got by Sam West. Oh! May foul on that one. Foul on jersey number 7. Amandre. Jersey number 28, jab short. Oh, outside ball. Amandre. To Sam West, kapas lang siya. Oh, Pinsikal, jersey number 7.
2-3 ba?
Amandre. Second personal foul by jersey number 7, Amandre.
So, 23, the original 31 mamba. Score.
Jundora, black. Bangay Amandre. What? Loses the handle. Outside ball. To Roland, no good. Good by Sam West. Amandre. Dribble. Running shot by Amandre, no good. Good by Roland. Lisa. Kasama pang foul. Foul on jersey number, basket count. Foul on jersey number 5. May bonus withdraw pa. Wala na naman time out goals, nagamit yun ang doon. Oo, nakagamit yun ang doon. Both teams, wala na time out. Play mo. O sige, bonus shot. Bonus shot, basket. 23-34 ang score. Romance na ang Mamba. Foul on jersey number 28. Amandre. Oh! Traveling violation.
Traveling ba man, Andre?
Traveling violation. Amandre. Dribble the ball by jersey number 2. Giannora. Got by jersey number 20. Aranya. Aranya. Pusat bebas. Tapnas Vice. Dalawa. Basket. 13 points. Roland, lays up, basket for 2 points by Roland. Amandre, nag-dribble sa bola, pass na sa Quest. On his way, lays up, basket for 2 points by sa Quest. Outside ball and no violation. Sapnes on his way, lays up, basket for 2 points by Sapnes. Outside ball. A foul jersey number 15. Amandre. Giannora, dribble the ball. Kita pasahan. Outside ball. Shot clock 13 seconds. 2 minutes, 54 seconds left. 2.54 na bilhin yung oras. Hop! Scramble the ball! Hop! Jump ball situation. Position arrow, Yamada original. 2 minutes, 48 seconds. Amandre. Goes across. Sapnes, dribble the ball. Sapnes, power ball, shoots in the glass. Basket for 2 points by Sapnes. Giannora. No good. Why na tayo? Ubus na, why na? Amandre, right shot, basket for 2 points. So Roland, Roland, grab for the ball. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Oh, may foul na naman. Foul on jersey number 7. Amandre. Oh, penalty na, shooting war. Third personal foul by Amandre, jersey number 7. 1 minute 56 seconds. So, 2.56. 1 minute 56 seconds. 2.56. First shot by Rojo Basket.
Sunod ang first free shot ya. Second free shot ya.
Second shot by Rojo.
Okay, sunod.
Again,
Pasok!
by Rojo. Naman niya, no good. Rebound by Junora. Junora, give the ball. Kita pasahan. Outside ball. 1 minute 33 seconds left. 1:33. Turnaround shot by Roland. Basket for 2 points. 1 minute 25 seconds. Southwest. On his way. Lays up. Shot. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 30. Bombate. 1 minute 17 seconds. 1:17 na bilin. Isa ka minuto, 17 segundos na bilin.
Free throw si Southwest.
Ang score na 33-40. First shot, basket.
Sunod. Second free throw ya. Hara second free throw ya.
Second shot, basket again. 12-2. Nice to press. Corona. Pass to Junora. Junora, dribble the ball. Junora. Kita pasahan. Pass to Roland. Roland. Oh! Hooligan for traveling violation.
Traveling.
For Roland.
Traveling.
1 minute 2 seconds left. Uno-dos na nabilin oras. Isa ka minuto, 2 ka segundos na nabilin. Sa West, dribble the ball. Seconds to play. 55 segundos. Sa West, lays up, for good. Steal by Amadre. 45 segundos. Good. Kaya. Itaw kay Rojo. 35 segundos na nabilin. Yodora. Pass. Error passing outside ball. 29 seconds left. 99 segundos na nabilin mo. Still by Rojo. Outside ball. 26 segundos na nabilin. Ayun. Official timeout na official timeout. 26 seconds remaining time. Oh, 26 segundos na, 26 segundos na bilhin oras. Sa press. 20 seconds. Sa press. Is up short. Kapaylo. 15 segundos. 10 segundos. Combate. May foul ba na tawag? Foul on jersey basket na. Foul on jersey number 15.
Suportahan ang grupo nila. First front down. Ano mo ma'am, balo sa sila nga gabi? Ampang? Okay ba? Banse.
Banse, siya na.
Ang tawag may flappy overs eh? Yung kita.
26?
26. Ayun.
Double na ka na niya.
Yan eh. So score to sa bong the original 35, Mamba 42, Banseng Mamba. Ano sila? Nan, Mamba. Banse sila, banse. Banse ang Mamba. Banse ka mga banse. Shout out. Last na lang, last. Fourth quarter na. Anong pala na quarter? Third? Third quarter. Third quarter na tayo guys. Ayan agad.
Ready?
Fourth na. Ano na yung third? Third.
For Roland, jersey number 14, Eurostep, no good. Rebound by Olinares. Olinares, dribble the ball. Steal, led by Roland. Roland.
Uy! Bakot! Grabe depensa. Oh! Grabe sila.
Follow jersey number 77.
Grabe. Okay.
Second personal by Olinares.
Bonus free throw. Bonus free throw nila. Free throw. Okay, first free throw. Ayan.
Bonus shot.
Oh, basket.
3-point conversion by Roland.
Tara.
Hetsanova. On the move. Mangita pasahan. Pass to Maldaba. Maldaba. Pass. No good. Oh, outside ball.
So, abanse yung Mamba Japon. 35-45 ang score.
For Roland. Dribble the ball. Pass to Duran. Duran pass. No good. Rebound by Olinares.
Bola sa original.
Hetsanova.
Chanova dribble the ball.
Hetsanova. Pass to Hamandre. Hamandre pass.
Hamandre. Good for 2 points for Amandre.
By Hamandre.
Harara.
Oops.
Oops.
On his way. Pass to Alba.
Alba. Good for 2 points. Another 2 points for Mamba. Chanova dribble the ball. Chanova naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasakay ng Amandre. Amandre, wala. Oh, follow up. May kasama pang foul. Ayan, basket.
Foul on jersey number 3.
May bonus free throw pa tayo guys. Ayan.
Laurelia. First
Laurelia.
personal foul by Laurelia. May bonus
Foul si
free throw.
Laurelia daw.
Bonus shot by Olinares. Wala.
Eh, wala.
By Alba.
Di pasok yung free throw ya. Ang bola na sa Mamba ngayon. Ayan. Dribble the ball.
Steal by Olinares. Hetsanova got the ball. Hetsanova. So Olinares. Olinares. On the ball. Losing control. Got by Alba. Alba. Oh.
Okay.
Double dribble.
Double dribble.
Alba.
Alba double dribble daw. So 39-47 in favor of Mamba. 39-47. Mamba banse.
Hetsanova to Maldaba. Maldaba. Nakita mo saan? Hetsanova to Maldaba. Maldaba. Foul. Short. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul.
Foul on jersey number 20. Duran. First personal foul by Duran.
Foul si Duran. Foul si Duran.
Amandre to Hetsanova. Fires. Air ball. Outside ball. For Roland. On the dribble. For Roland. Running shot. Left-handed shot. No good. Rebound by Amandre. Off. No piece on the American. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 28. For Roland, jersey number 28, first personal foul. Second personal foul by jersey number 28 for Roland.
Alright.
Hetsanova to Maldaba. Maldaba Fires. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 21. Alba. Second personal foul by Alba. 2 free throws coming. First shot. Walay. Second shot. Walang yapon. Korolan. Korolan. Outside ball. Bechanaba. Nadribble sa bola to Olinares. Olinares. On the move, on his way. Outside ball. Mamba ball. Substitution. Substitution. Sunod. Okay ball. For Roland. Dribble the ball. High. By jersey number 3 to Strong. Ball by Pilate. For Roland. Oh, there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 4. Echanova. First personal foul by Echanova. Corolla, dribble the ball. Corolla fires. Short. Rebound by Olinares. There's a press to Echanova. Echanova on the ball, lays up. Wala. Rebound by Alba. Baldaba intercept the ball. Fires the good. Kalawang by the press. Basket. For 2 points. Score 41-47. Naman siya po ng mapa. Pilate, nag-dribble sa bola. Mike Arjang. Basket. For 2 points by Pilate. 5 minutes, 45 seconds left. Echanova, nag-dribble sa bola. To Olinares. Olinares on its way. Lays up. Basket for 2 points. Whoop. Thrower violation. Substitution. Sunod. Tawag sa mo. Shot clock down to 14. Pilate to Sepa. Lays up. Basket. For 2 points by Pilate. Baldaba. Rally shot to Sholo. Got by Pilate. Pilate to Horolan. Horolan, lays up. Horolan, kaluan by Disipulo. Basket for 2 points. The original. 5 minutes, 5 seconds.
Time out ang the originals.
Score 43-53. Aman si 10 points ang Bamba team. Back to the ball game. Labor. 5 minutong nabilin para sa ato ng third quarter. Hop. Principal ang jersey number 11. Echanova. Substitution. Corolan, nag-dribble sa bola. Pass to Pilate. Pilate, lays up. Basket for 2 points by Pilante. Sa West. To Olinares. Steal by Roland. Roland on his way. To Discipulo. Roland. Mega jump. Basket for 2 points by Roland. Outside ball. 4 minutes, 21 seconds left. Echanova to Olinares. Olinares to Echanova. Roland fires basket for 2 points. Mega jump, basket for 2 points. Echanova to Sapaz, Isilia for 2 points by Sapaz. Discipulo. Three minutes, 35 seconds. What? Principal, jersey number 21. Eh. Chok, palapit na lang, chok. Dahil lang. Ref, palapit na lang.
O, bola, bola.
So shout out sa itong mga follower din, no? Wala mo ka tao, dre. Ayan. Nice lang. Ayan.
Buang jersey number 21. What is the sa technical sa jersey? Size number. Eh dapat din na pwede. Duwa magsulod ng jersey number 28. Isa ka free throw.
Free throw shot.
Technical shot, wala.
Ang score sa 45-61 in favor sa Mamba. Ayos lang.
Echanova. Dribble the ball, pass to Southwest. Steal, ganda ni Roland. Roland. Steal man, ganda ni Echanova. Discipulo got the ball. Roland,
Traveling.
Hooligan, another violation. 3 minutes, 2 seconds left. Tatlo na din ito, dua kasi football na din. Echanova to Southwest. Southwest on his way. May foul na tawag. Foul on jersey number 14. First personal foul. 2 free throws running. First shot, wala na shoot. 2 minutes, 53 seconds left. 2.53 na bilang na oras. Ang score, 45-61. Second shot, basket by Southwest, 1 out of 2.
So, Bansang Mamba, no? 46-61 ang score.
Roland. Basket.
Play another basket from Mamba.
By Alba.
Amandre dribble the ball.
Amandre on his way, is up. Is strong by Alba.
Okay, sige.
What? There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 26. Baldaba. Third personal foul by Baldaba. 2 minutes 26 seconds. Dos 26 ang nabili niyo oras. Disipulo. Corona. Apilante. Vice the good. Rebound by Hamandre. Hamandre. Passing error. Outside ball. 2 minutes 11 seconds left. 2 minuto, 11 segundos na nabili. Corona. Dribble the ball. Pass for Roland, Pilante, 5, basket! For 2 points by Pilante. Olinares, on his way, raise up, may kasama pang foul. Foul on jersey number 28. For Roland, sino nga 28? Pilante. Pilante nga 28. First personal foul by jersey number 28, Pilante. First shot, basket. Second shot, basket again. 2 out of 2 by Olinares. Pilante. Backcourt violation.
Sulod, backing ka man.
1 minute 44 seconds. Nechanova. Fires. Kushon. Babay Alba. 1 minute 35 seconds. Unang realizing ko na bilet. Disipulo. Pass to Pilante. Pilante. Still got the hit sa Nova. Oh. There's the foul. Foul on jersey number 28. Pilante. Second personal foul. Time out. Number team.
Nah,
1 minute 10 seconds there. Unod yes na bilhin yung oras.
So, good evening guys. May bisita to subong. Ayan. Good evening. Ayan. Is kay Kagawan? Ano dre? Wala? Ay? Ay, si Kagawan. Hindi ko ba kilala? Sinsya kita. Is si Chairman ng lakat?
Back to the ball game.
Ano, pinakagwapo tanga.
Time, 1 minute 10 seconds. Score, 28-65.
Shout out ko na siya. Shout out. Ayan.
Lincoln.
Hindi na ko to. Sarili. Ay, sorry.
Olinares. On the dribble. On the save. On the shot. There is a foul. Foul on jersey number 2. Gilmora.
Ilang time na bilhin ko?
Tek, bilang time?
Ilang time?
First personal foul by Gilmora.
Ha?
Manag fourth quarter na tayo na.
Second shot. Basket. 2 out of 2 by Olinares. 55 segundos na nabili. Disipulo. Back to Junora. 45 seconds. Sugot. Ibang by Alba. Basket. For 2 points. 45 seconds. Reset. No good. Follow-up. Foul jersey number 14. Corona. Second personal foul.
Oh, free shot. Tulo free shot. Over first attempt sa free throw. Hala. Okay, pasok. Ayan. Score na sa buong. 50 for the Mamba. 50. Tinata ka rin. Ayan. So, shoutout sa atong mga follower dire. Para mga mamba. Ayan. Uy, pasok free throw ya. Ayun na. So time. Shout out. Ari na. Abanse ang mamba guys. 53-68. 53-68 in favor of Mamba. Ayan. Ano yung mga Mamba players to guys oh. Oh, shout out. Shout out sa mga taga Mamba. Mamba din ang mga supporters niyo. Ayan. Smile lang mo, smile. Live to sa buong sa Araneta Coliseum. Puno-puno ang Araneta. Grabe. It's a Monday. What a Monday here in Araneta. Grabe. Puno-puno sa mga Araneta. Ano, sinasaos? Boss? Shout out. Grabe. Pag una ko kita ka mga taga-tsura, ka mga taga-kintaw nila dito guys. Ano na, sagot na ta. Fourth quarter na ta, fourth quarter. So, foul si Junora, number 2. Free throw si, ano. Wala ang first attempt sa free throw, wala ang masulod. Score na sa bang 53-68 in favor of Mamba. Okay, second attempt sa free throw. Wala Japon. So, rebound. Oh, yan. Free shot. Foul counted. First attempt sa free throw. Wala. Okay. Ay. Bulo shot gali. Tila pula Japon. Outside shot. Ayan. Ayan mga palo. Sila. Okay, mas mama magka-comment. Mga puli. Alam ano? Uy, grabe. 3 points. 3 points. Ito original. Ayan. Basket goal to for 2 points 5 sa Mamba. Outside. Foul count. Ano ba? Counted ba, no? Time out sa bang the originals kali. Ay ka man sa live. Yan. Shout out yung mga shout out. Abanse. Yung alam ko namin ang irit nila.
Oh, yes.
Yan.
Sige.
Pila din ticket nyo? Why? Libre lang. 30 lang.
Inangay ka dito.
So score na sa bawang 60, the originals 72 ang Mamba. I-favor ng Mamba, bansin sila sa bawang. Fourth quarter na ta guys. Fourth quarter na. Fourth quarter na. First attempt, free throw. Sulod. Second attempt. Ayan. Free throw. Okay, sulod. Japon. Basket. Tara na. Up. Grabe, mamaw gali. First free throw, wala. Wala kasulod guys. Pero bansi sila Japon na, 74. Second free throw. Okay, sulod. Basket ang second free throw. Okay, yara na. Mamaw ba? Uy!
Kalma.
Chinora dribble the ball.
Ten.
Outside shot. Ayan.
Uy, natapi! Guarda mo!
Contribution.
Graduate na? Congratulations, graduate. Dapat kayo ng graduate. Graduation. First honor. Sakit ba? Kumusta to sa layang tatlo yun? Ayan. Ayan. $68-79 ang score in favor of Mamba. 68-79. Free throw sa ang Mamba. First free throw, first attempt. Wala. Abansing Mamba sa baka. 68-79 ang score. Okay, second free throw. Okay, basket. $68-80 ang score. Lucy Abanse. Grabe kasi ano yun, Maui daw. Pulo Abanse, 70-80 ang score. Time out ka ma. 70-80 ang score in favor of Mamba. Pulo Abanse ka Mamba. Technical. Ano technical? Yan, Lods. Oh, foul counted. So, score sa buong is ano? 72-80. 72-80. Score, boss. Ubos sa bayo.
Malamdam yun, best friend.
$72-80 ang score ah. In favor of Mamba. Okay, shoot. Pito na lang nga pansi, pito. Pito nga pansi, pito. Okay, foul. Free throw naman, free throw. Anong time to man? Time? Okay, foul. $73-81 ang score. $73-81 ang score. Free throw. Wala. Layo sa load. $73-81 score. Second free throw. 3 minutes na lang. Okay, sa load ng free throw ng isa. 74-81 ang score. 74-81 ang score. Last 2 minutes tayo, last 2 minutes. 76-83 in favor of Mamba. 76-83 favor of Mamba. Oh, 3-point shot by Mamba. Ayan, 3-point shot. Last 2 minutes tayo ha. Okay. Traveling violation. 1 minute and 54 seconds left. 76-85 in favor of Mamba. 76-85 in favor of Mamba. 1 minute and 56 seconds, Bilin. 1 minute and 56 seconds. Okay. Foul. So 76-85 in favor of Mamba. One minute 47 seconds left. 1 minute 47 seconds left. 76-85 ang score in favor of Mamba. And free shots among the originals. First attempt, pasok, basket po. Okay. Second attempt, free shot. Okay, basket. Okay, 78-85. 1 minute and 56 seconds. Okay, depensa. Zoom. Wala. Oh. One minute 24 seconds left ko, no? One minute and 3 seconds, kano? 1 minute 3 seconds, 78, 85 ang score. Seconds na lang, seconds. Oh! Bugo, anay pa, bugo, anay. Free throws yan, Tres. Ay. Ano yung mga mambaw? Best player na sa bawang naman. Congratulations sa Mamba. Grabe. Daog ang Mamba. 18 seconds na lang. Ayan. Ten seconds.
5 segundos.
Okay. Congratulations, Mamba. 78-87 ang score. 78-87. Congrats. Okay. 78-87 ang score. Dawag ang Mamba. Labang sa The Originals. Ayan. What?
Picture naman tayo, picture. Mga mag-gawag na natin. May picture yan. For documentation.
Skater, skate ka makagawad. Ay, kung... Kasi dyan ko ba kilala? Ari sa mga skater eh, oh.
Kagawad.
Oh, skate kagawad. Ayan, hi po. Hi sa akong live.
Pwede skate kagawad.
Sino ba ganang skater eh? Ay, sino? Sorry, hindi ko kilala. Ay, tatlo ka mo. So, hi, sa mga taga-skater eh, Leo. Sinsya kita, hindi ko mayo sa ulo. Sir, skate, ari rin mga skate. Si skater, mga gina, ari rin mo. May second game pa na eh? Oh, sige, ano ka na? I-chat mo ko na nung schedule. Ha? Ay, follow ko lang. Anong page ka nito? Parang guys?
ng SK 19A.
I-add ko din ma'am, hindi ko din sama na. I-add mo ko ron. Sige, thank you. Good. Sige, harap na. Ayan po. Yes, birthday. No, congratulations. Ayan, sa live ko, hi sa live ko. Ayan. Ayan. Picture ka mo tanan, picture lang ni. Sige, sige. Dapat ba pakara na? 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ay, 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Correct.
Okay, ayos ah. So, stop ko na ng live to guys. Tapos na. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. This is Teacher Robin. Bye-bye.